Chuck Pippin here from iKonBoats. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on a hidden feature on your Victory Series boat. Alright, here we have our digital gauge that comes equipped on every Victory Series boat, whether it's a VLS, a VLX, or a VLE from iKonBoats. I'm going to show you how to turn on your water pressure gauge. First, you need to make sure that your ignition is turned on. And when you're scrolling through these gauge here, this is typically forward and this is typically back. So you can scroll through all your settings, and you may have noticed, whether you're running Mercury, Yamaha, or Suzuki, that you don't have a water pressure gauge. I'm going to show you how to easily turn that on. So just imagine your set button being an enter button and your mode button being an exit button or a back button. So I'm going to long hold this, the set button. Your display comes up. That is what we want to work on, the display. So we're going to long hold that. Now we've entered into our display backlight, units, clock, but we don't see what we need yet, so we're just going to click this. We're going to edit a screen. So you just short click that till you see screens. Now we want to enter screens. So you're going to hold set. Now, if it shows a little green deal there, a little green block, that means it's turned on. See all the settings that are turned on. Our rudder, we don't have a rudder on the boat besides what's on the engine. That screen's turned off. We're going to keep scrolling here. Keep scrolling. All right, there's our coolant temperature. Coolant pressure. That is what we need to have turned on. You can see I already have mine turned off. I think I accidentally, let me go back one. Coolant pressure, I turned that off when so I'm going to turn my coolant temperature, that's your engine temperature. I want to turn that back on. So I want to enter that, I'm going to hold that. Well, now that's on. Let's go here to the coolant pressure, which I had already turned on. You'll see it like this, red. You're just going to hold the set button and that will turn green. That's it. Now you have a water pressure gauge. Doesn't matter if you have a Mercury, Yamaha, or Suzuki on any VLS, VLX, or VLE series boat from iKonBoats. Then to get out of this, long holding your mode button is like an exit or a back button. That's it. So let's scroll through here real quick. Doesn't matter which way you scroll, forward or backwards. There's our PSI, which is 0 because the motors, I'm sitting in the parking lot in the shade because it's 110 degrees out here, but there's your water pressure gauge. Stay tuned to our channel for more quick tips, how-to videos. Hopefully this will help some of you guys. Let us know what you think.